Hey everyone, happy Diwali to all of you. Swarna here and I'm back with another tutorial for you. As we are all in a festive mood, I wanted to show you a Diwali card. I took a 200 GSM A5 size watercolor paper and folded it in half. Let's decorate the top of the card with an illustration, and inside we can include a short and sweet message. Let's do a diya illustration, and for it I choose a thick 300 GSM watercolor paper. The colors I chose are lemon tart and soulmate, since red and yellow give lovely festive vibes. Draw an outline of a diya and wet inside the illustration with water so that the colors travel easily and blend well. Drop colors onto the wet paper and blend them well and let it dry. While the illustration is drying, let's write the message inside the card. I'm doing it with my favorite medium, pointed pen calligraphy, that is with an oblique holder and a nib. You can also do it with a brush pen or even a normal pen if you're not familiar with calligraphy. Calligraphy is something that needs to be done slowly with consciousness on every stroke. For anyone curious, here I am using my all-time favorite walnut ink. Let this one dry well too. Our illustration has dried, so let's cut it. I'm also writing the wishes on the front part of the card with the same ink and pointed pen. Now let's arrange our card. I wanted to add a handmade paper to add some texture to the plain background. Let's add the diya illustration with a dual side foam tape so that the diya pops on the card. We can also add a line illustration on the background to add some more life to the textured paper. Don't forget to erase any pencil lines or marks that you made while making the card. And that's it, our cute, simple yet sweet handmade card is ready. I hope you have a lovely Diwali with your friends and family. See you next time.